You want to know how you can simply go ahead and embed the YouTube video in Canva. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply head into YouTube and simply go ahead and copy the link of any video that you want to go ahead and embed. So click on share, click on copy. And once you've done that, all you need to do is head into Canva. So I'm just going to go ahead and do so. And then click on start designing for free. I'm just going to go ahead and log into my account right over here. All right, now let's just go ahead and create a design. So for example, I'm just going to say social media, Instagram post. Now, all you really need to do is just Control V or paste your link right over here. And as you can see, it's already embedded. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.